Hey guys, so I'm back in my Tesla again, and I got a new product to try today, and it's a new phone holder, and it should be better than my old one, I think. Let me show you my old one. All right, so my old one is here, and you can see there's not a lot of space in the Tesla for any kind of fancy phone holders or anything like that. So this is what I had. This is an adhesion one, and it just sticks on like that. It actually works pretty well, but today I want to try a new one. This Jsaux one that's made specifically for the Tesla, and we'll see if it's any better. All right, so let's give this thing a shot. Let's open this up and see what's in the box. Okay, so it's got some looks like some adhesion pads, or like a rubber pad. We'll see what that's for. Here's the metal thing that you could stick in the back of your phone. So I already have a metal ring around my phone, but if you don't have a metal ring, it comes with one of those that you could put on the back of your phone to make it stick. And here's the mount. And let's see what this is. Okay, so this is an extension of the mount. Goes on the ball right there. So let's give it a shot. So if you look at my old clamp, it goes right here, and the drawback sometimes where I have it, it kind of gets in the way. The steering wheel gets in the way of the view, so I had to kind of go there or look through there, but I could have easily put it right there. But this clamp is going to go right over here. This clamp's going to go right over here, so that you'll see it's definitely more up front and center. So you just put it on right there, and it looks like you just turn it. Let me adjust this arm. Let's see. I guess something like that. We'll try something like that first. So you just put it on the corner, and you tighten it up, and it grips like that. And I see this is where this goes now. Let's put this in. All right, not bad. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, that's definitely better. Let's take a look. All right, so this is the way I view the car. This is from my face, and here's the phone. And yeah, it actually is pretty nice. It brings things up front and center. You see, there's really nowhere else for a phone mount, any traditional types of phone mount. But anyways, it's the same magnet concept as my old one, but it's even better because I could put it right there. And let's see if I could rotate it. All right, it doesn't hit the screen or anything. So if you want to use the maps on this phone instead of the Tesla maps, which kind of suck, so you could use the maps on that. So I think I like it.